Lash Boosting Eye Cleanse is our new innovation in eye treatment. It's an eye makeup remover, an eye treatment, and an anti-aging treatment all in one. It's really good to remove all kinds of eye makeup. It will also treat the area around the eyes. So if you're worried about lines, puffiness, wrinkles, dark circles, we've got lots of skincare technology in here so that it really works to improve the look of lines and aging around the eyes whilst it's removing your eye makeup for you. Lash Boosting Eye Cleanse can be used as this lovely sort of eye mask soak. If you want to kind of wander around at home and do things, you can pop it on like a half moon. This will really work on puffiness and lines and dark circles underneath the eyes. Or you can go for a full eye treatment and you're really working also the lashes and also the lids as well. And that Beautify active ingredient has been clinically tested on really kind of tightening that area around the eyes. Your lashes, as you use Lash Boosting Eye Cleanse every day to remove your eye makeup, will start to thicken, lengthen and strengthen the look of your lashes using that hair growth technology. So you've got a real multitasking product here. It's an anti-aging product. It will remove all your makeup, restore your skin and rewind the signs of time.